Hi guys, I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. So I spoke for 15 minutes. Anyway, I'm on my way back home from the gym. My hair is crazy. I bought a little bit of parsley, and thankfully the gym is very close to the market, so everything is very close from where I live. Today I'm gonna go to my mom's. Right now I don't have many things to organize. It's almost ready, you know. So I'm just gonna see what else I have to do, and then I have a lot of things that I'm not gonna wear, which is really sad because they are really good pieces and they are really new, you know. I haven't worn them. Like I have this jacket that I really love, but it doesn't suit me and I don't think it's my style. I think I'm gonna sell it because it's a very nice piece, but I have a bunch of stuff that probably maybe my mom wants something or someone in my family, so I'm gonna see if they want something from that, and the rest I'm just gonna give away to people in need. So yeah, I'm home. Hi guys, again, I'm back home. I was just organizing my place, finishing things up, and I came to my mom's house. I'm eating a piece of bread. I'm very hungry, and yeah, it's currently 10:15, and I just brought my mom everything that I'm not going to wear or use. She was looking things up, and yeah, there's a bunch of things that she wants to keep because we're kind of like the same size. So we used to do this. I remember my whole life I used to share clothes with my mom. She had really good clothes, really comfy, and so yeah, basically that's it. I'm just gonna chill here with my mom, and later I'm gonna go and cook something, eat, and then it's time to, you know, work. And I was talking to her, it turns out that the Christmas parade wasn't yesterday. It's going to be this Saturday. And the Christmas lighting, they're going to light the biggest Christmas tree here. I thought it was the other day, but actually it's today. I don't know, it's really weird. I think they changed everything up with the dates and times, so all of my schedule I have to do it again because apparently they changed it again. They were supposed to light the tree this Sunday, but now it's today, Thursday, so really weird. I don't know why. Maybe because of the weather, because it has been raining a lot lately. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go because I haven't planned it. I might go with my husband maybe. I don't know. He's not like a Christmassy obsessed person. So he would just go because of me. But I don't think I will enjoy it as much as with my mom. Because we love Christmas. Maybe we will go, the three of us, I don't know. We'll see. It's almost 8 p.m. and we are on our evening walk, and we weren't really sure if we wanted to go to the Christmas tree, how would you call it? Christmas tree lighting? That's how I say it. But we're very, very close, and we don't know if they already turned on the lights on the tree. So we're on our way to see that. Okay, much better. They haven't turned on the Christmas tree yet, so we're good. Here we are. There's a lot of people here.